Hi everyone, this is Yad from the Tech Channel and welcome back to this unboxing and review. Today I will be reviewing ND variable filter from K&F. As you see here, HD optical glass, multiplayer coating, waterproof, digital high definition. So this is of course for the outside. If you are shooting outside, this is a filter who is really not sponsored. I bought it from myself. The price, it's very decent, like around 50 euro. So it's not really expensive if you want to compare it with another brand. As you see here, the package actually has a little bit of magnetic at the edge of it, and as you see here on the top, this is a paper. I don't know why this, but maybe this is a logo. And you can see also here the package or the ND filter inside the package, and here you can see, or they give us more informations about the ND that they have, and of course some slogans in the back side. The ND comes in this really beautiful package. You can of course put the ND filter in it if you don't want to use it, of course, to protect it. As you see here, this is the filter. You have the biggest ring, it's ND32, and till ND2. K&F Concept Nano X 82mm variable ND filter. And of course with this ring you can of course move it to prevent less light if you are outside, or maybe if you also inside. So as you see, ND2 to ND32, and here you can see the light when it reflects on the glass, actually what will happen. I really like it so much. So, and here you have these small knobs just to know where you are if you are moving, on the ring. Here you can see of course the difference from different concept or footages. Here I was shooting inside, and you can see of course when I just open it to ND2 how the light will be just blowing up the footage. Here I was also outside in another scenario, and you can see really the difference between when it was ND2 and ND32. Here you can see also there is no X in when you are using it. You should be aware when you are buying this kind of ND filter, there is many brands who has really X in the middle of the footage when you are using this ND filter. So that's it guys for today. I hope I give good information about this ND variable filter. If you have any question, please feel free to ask and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.